Mr. Dumpster Diver here. Today, showing everyone what's inside a computer keyboard. This is an older keyboard. The back is all metal, very thick metal. There were a lot of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 screws in the back of this keyboard. Now, I got to try to open this up. Save time with the getting the screws out, and now let's get this open. We got a bend here. Now let's continue. Okay, we're getting closer. Difficult holding the camera and trying to open this up, but we're gonna do it. Oh, yeah, we're getting closer. I don't know. It's metal. What kind of metal it is? Probably most likely steel. Yep, it's steel. It's sticking. The back is steel. So we're gonna open this up halfway, and we see there's a padding here. 2 layers of electrical, or actually 3 of plastic. 1, 2, 3. Then there's this for the keyboard plastic to hold the keys in, these little spots. Then the keyboard. There's not much to salvage out of a keyboard, actually. There's the cord, power cord, and the metal back. So, this is what's inside a keyboard, folks.